Hey guys, today I've got a pretty simple one. I'm going to show you how to swap USDT from Trust Wallet into Monero using this bridge. Now, you don't have to be using USDT specifically. The same idea works with plenty of other assets too. And if your wallet supports EVM networks or TRON, you're pretty much set. The reason I wanted to record this is because I've seen the same question pop up over and over again. A week ago, I was trying to exchange into XMR and thought it would take a couple of minutes. Instead, I spent most of my time comparing different ways of doing it. Eventually, I found this bridge, tried it, and after a while, it just became my normal way of swapping into Monero because it removes most of the extra work. So, enough talking, let's take a look. I'll pin the official link below the video. So over here, I choose USDT, that's the asset I'm going to swap today, and this is exactly why I like using a bridge like this. I don't need to move my crypto somewhere else first. I don't need another conversion before. Assets are already sitting in Trust Wallet, so I can start right from there. Now I'll enter the amount. Bridge immediately shows me about how much XMR I'm expected to receive using the current rate, and if we scroll down for a second, there's also a live table showing Monero exchange rates against different cryptocurrencies. Nice to have if you want to compare a few pairs before swapping. Okay, next I'll connect Trust Wallet. Everything's loaded correctly, so now I'll hit swap. Good. Confirmation window comes up. Always spend a couple of seconds here checking the amount, destination address, and all basic transaction details before approving anything. And now we just give it a minute. Okay, and there it is. XMR just arrived. Honestly, this is the part I like most. Nothing felt complicated. I didn't have to jump between different services. I didn't have to prepare another token before getting started. I opened the bridge, entered amount, confirmed transaction, waited a few minutes, and Monero showed up. That's exactly how I want XMR Swap to work. So if you've been trying to figure out an easier way to move from USDT into Monero, hopefully this clears things up. And if there's something I didn't cover, just leave a comment below. I've been using this bridge for the past few weeks with different assets and different networks, and it's been reliable every time I've needed it. And one last thing before I finish. Whenever I test something in crypto, I don't rely on one successful transaction. I always come back and use it again. Different days, different amounts, different assets. If the experience stays the same every time, that's usually a good sign. That's exactly why I'm comfortable using this bridge whenever I need to swap into XMR. So, thanks for being here.